Welcome to the Commissioner's Weekly Review Show. My special guest tonight is the one and only Devil Dog Bob. How are you, Bob?
What the hell, Larry? Why are you using that pansy British accent? You're from freaking Manchester, Ohio, not Manchester, England.
As Commissioner, I'm a very important person. This accent gives me an air of sophistication.
The only air from you is the foul air from your beer farts. Let's get on with this.
The first week of the season was very interesting. Let's start with your game against the Kit Kats. Nice coaching decision to bench Cam Newton and Steve Smith. You won't three-peat with decisions like that.
Fuck you, Larry. How many championships have you won? I was just trying to take it easy on the Kit Kats. It was her first game back. Besides, she played Colt McCoy, who would start a Cleveland Brown.
You never start any Brown but Peyton Hillis. But hey, what about my great win over the Rocket Boy? Superior coaching always wins out.
You're crazy, Larry. You won because all your players had career games. McFadden will probably get hurt next week and not score you another point.
Let's move on to the closest game of the week, the Goons against the Captains. The old Goon thought he had this game in the bag until the Woodpeckers quarterback went crazy last night.
Yeah, the Goon about choked on that 99-yard touchdown.
The sad thing is he will probably be bragging about this win. Since his quarterback won games for other teams, what do you think of the Woodpeckers' win over the Catfish?
It was a bullshit win. Everyone scored more points than the Catfish, even the lowly Storm.
Speaking of the Storm, the Falcons really put it to them. They had the weekly high score.
Ford should be suspended for picking on the handicap like that. Just think how bad the Storm would be if he actually drafted himself. The guy cannot pick his nose, let alone pick a fantasy team.
You got that right. Let's move on to the last game. Big Daddy humiliated the Hellcats.
Yeah. What was the Hellcat thinking playing Oko Stinko? Brady throws for over 500 yards and Oko gets only 14 of them. I can see that boy on the waiver wire now. Speaking of waiver wire, I'm out of here. I have to get back to the computer in my cruiser to check on my team.
Until next time. This is the Commissioner saying ta-ta and cheerio.